Welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk Blair. I'm going to show you this 2016 27 DSRL. It's a 2716 Jayco White Hawk. It actually is a really nice floor plan. We sell these new. This one is actually a pre-owned piece of inventory here in our lot. I'm going to show you a few nice features about it. It has a nice big slide out and rear living kind of situation. It's got dual propane tanks. It's got a nice power tongue jack, nice front cap, fiberglass front cap on this guy. As we make our way down the side of it, you can see large front storage area, pretty good size power awning on here, bedroom entrance. It's got the wide stance axles. It is a Jayco White Hawk, so it's going to be kind of a higher line of their line of Jayco products, travel trailers. So it's going to have your frameless windows. It does have a spare tire, a ladder, full walk-on roof, all the good things that Jayco offers, a nice lend-a-hand handle. Let's jump inside and I'll show you around. Right as you come in this unit, you see you got nice easy chairs here in the back, nice fishbowl effect windows, real nice and open. You got your couch that also makes into a bed, some storage across the top on both sides, a dinette that also makes into a bed, so you do have extra sleeping in this unit. Front entertainment center here, storage all the way around. I like storage, I always bring too much stuff with me, but you know, you got to have the toys, games, and movies and all the good stuff. Big fridge, good size. It does have some drawers in the kitchen, big basin sink here. Storage all the way, storage. As you make your way, this floor plan has the pass-through bathroom into the bedroom. So if you notice, there is a lot of storage in here as well. I'll open this up over the toilet here too. Lots of storage. You put clothes in here, you can actually get dressed in the bathroom area with plenty of space for your goods. Corner shower. Bedroom, good sized bedroom, nice little cubby holes on either side of the bed to store your book or whatever you may need. You're going to have storage across the top. Pantry storage, excuse me, closet storage. Pantry would be in the kitchen. Anyhow, this trailer has a lot of nice storage, a lot of nice features. It's very well maintained. And this and any other pieces of inventory here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon, I'm happy to show you. My name is Kirk. I go by Captain Kirk. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Please feel free to give me a call. I'm happy to help. Looking forward to meeting you. Have a good day.